Good morning all of you. Today we are going to learn simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equation. Right. Here what are the simultaneous equation? Then x plus y is equal 10. X minus y is equal 4. Right? Then you can see x and y are unknown term. X and y are unknown term. Then 10 is known term, constant term. X and y are unknown term, 4 is known term. Right? When add this known term and unknown term, when add makes 10. When subtract this makes 4. What is the value of x and what is the value of y? Then there are two unknown terms. If there are two unknown terms, we need two linear equations. We need two linear equations. If there are two linear equations, we call this simultaneous equation. This is simultaneous equation. X and y, when find the value x and y, here we have to find the value of x and y. These are simultaneous equation. Right? Now today you are going to learn how simplify this equation, simultaneous equation. Then the value of x and value of y. Right? Okay. In this lesson, here there are two equations, linear equations. Here x. Then when 2x are there, when 2x, here the coefficient, we should know the coefficient. The coefficient of x is 2. The coefficient of x is 2. Then minus 3y. The coefficient of y is minus 3. You should know the coefficient. The coefficient is the number in front of the algebraic term. Coefficient. You should know coefficient. Then only x are there. Only x are there. The coefficient is plus 1. Right. Only minus 1/3. The coefficient of y is 1/3. Right? 1/3. Understand? The coefficient of y is 1/3. Okay. Then here look at this. Then the coefficient of x is 1. Here you can see they have not written. The coefficient of x is 1. You should know the 1. The coefficient of x is 1. Here 1. The coefficient of y is 1. The coefficient of y is 1. All are coefficient equal. No, especially x. The coefficient of x equal. The coefficient of y is equal. When coefficients are equal, the sign. Here you can see the sign of x is plus. The sign of x is plus. The sign of y is plus. The sign of y is minus. When sign are equal, plus so minus are there, minus are there, you can subtract. Right? When coefficient are there, sign unequal, plus minus or minus plus are there, you can add two equations. You can add. Then look at this. Now let's check whether coefficient equal. Yes, the coefficient are equal, both x and y. Then you can see here the coefficient of y is plus. The coefficient of y is minus. Then plus minus are there. When plus minus are there, you can add. Look at the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is here plus. The coefficient x plus, then plus. Then plus are there. You also subtract here. Then in solving this, you can add those, subtract. Now it is very easy to add. Now I add first equation to second equation. Now I add first equation to second equation. When you add this, here look at this. Then here, this is the left hand side. No, left hand side. This is right hand side. Now in first equation, left hand side, x plus y plus the second equation left hand side x minus y is equal, now right hand side 10 plus 4, here add. Then you can see plus x are like terms. When plus x 2x, plus y plus y to minus y cancel, then remain 2x, 10 plus 4 14. Now 2x, now you can divide 2 both sides. When you divide both sides, 2 to 2 cancel, x is equal 14 divided by 7 to 7. The value of x is 7. Understand? The value of x is 7. Now, after finding the value of x, you have to find the value of y. Now, x is 7. X is 7 to substitute first equation. When you substitute, what is the first equation? X plus y is equal 10. Now let's substitute. Then for x, you can substitute 7 plus y is equal 10. To get the value of y, plus 7, add minus 7 both sides. Now add minus 7 both sides. When add minus 7, here to cancel, y remain 10 minus 7, 3. Right, 10 minus 7, 3. Now the value of x is 7, the value of y is 3. Here, this is the answer. When 7 plus 3, 10 makes 10. When 7 minus 3 makes 4. Our answer is correct. Right? Then simultaneous to find the value of x and find the value of y. Right? Understand? Here this is very important. When coefficient are equal, sign plus plus minus minus are there, you can subtract. When plus minus minus plus are there, you can add. Right? You can add. Then here you can add. Then another example are there. Another one. Another one. 2m plus n is equal 10 and m minus n is equal 2. 2m plus n is equal 10, m minus n is equal 2. Simplify, if not solve. Then here you can see m and n are there. M and n are unknown terms. Right? M and n are unknown terms. Two unknown terms are there. There are two linear equations. Therefore, these are simultaneous equations. Two unknown terms are there. Right? Then let's find the value of m and n. Then I told you earlier, the coefficient of m is 2. The coefficient of m is 1. Here, now the coefficient is unequal of m. The coefficient of n is 1. They have not given, you should know 1. The coefficient of n is 1. And then you can see the coefficient of n is equal 1, 1. The coefficient of n is equal 1, 1. The coefficient of m is equal to 1. Right. Then the coefficient are equal. This is plus, this is minus. This is plus, this is minus. Then plus minus are there. Plus minus or minus plus are there. What will do? What will you do with plus minus are there? You can add. No, I told you, you can add. Then first equation and second equation. First equation and second equation you can add. Because the coefficient are equal, sign plus minus. Then when add the left hand side, 2m plus n plus second m minus n is equal 10 plus 2. Right. Then plus n to minus n cancel, 2m plus m, 3m. Here plus n to minus n cancel, remain 2m plus m, 3m is equal 10 plus 2, 12. Now 3m is equal to 12. Now both sides divide by 3. Now both sides divide by 3. 3 to 3 cancel. M is equal 12 divided by 3, 4. The value of m is 4. Now let's find the value of n. Now m is 4. To substitute to first equation. What's the first equation? Let's write 2m plus n is equal 10. Right? Then 2m is substitute m 4 plus n is equal 10. Now 2 into 4, 8 plus n is equal 10. To cancel plus 8, add minus 8 both sides. Add minus 8 both sides. Then plus 8 to minus 8 cancel, n is 10 minus 8, 2. The value of m is 4, the value of n is 2. Now let's check with our answer whether correct or wrong. Then 4 and 2. When twice of 4 is 8. The twice of 4 is 8. The n is 2. The 8 plus 2 is 10. The m is 4. N is 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Now our answer is correct. Right? Our answer is correct. Right. Then another one. Then another example. 2a plus b is equal 7. A plus b is equal 4. Simplify. Now there are two unknown terms a and b. This is first equation. This is second equation. First equation and second equation. Right? First equation and second equation. A and b. Right? A and b. First equation and second equation. Right. Then here look at the coefficient. The coefficient of a is 2. The coefficient of a is 1. The coefficients are unequal. The coefficient of b is 1. The coefficient of b is 1. Then 1 are there. Here you can see the sign of b is plus, minus. The sign are equal. You have to subtract. Then here plus are there. You have to subtract. Then first equation subtract second equation. First equation subtract second equation. When you subtract first equation 2a plus b, subtract a plus b. Remember that you have to write the brackets a plus b, if not wrong, a plus b, because this is the expression. No? The whole expression should subtract 7 minus 4. Then simplify 2a plus b minus plus minus a minus plus minus b. Then 7 minus 4, 3. Then plus b to minus b cancel. 2a minus a is equal 3. The value of a is 3. Now a is 3. To substitute here easy to second equation, no matter first or second equation. What's the second equation? A plus b is equal 4. Now when you substitute, a is 3 plus 4, b is equal 4. Now to cancel plus 3, minus 3 both sides. Then plus 3 to minus 3 cancel, b is 4 minus 3, 1. Right, now a is 3, b is 1. A is 3, b is 1. Understand? A is 3, b is 1. Right. Our answer is correct. Then twice of 3 is 6. The b is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. A is 3, b is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Right? Then can you complete? Or do you want another one? Okay. Let's write another example. X plus 2y is equal 11. X minus 4y is equal 5. Simplify. Here there are two unknown terms, therefore two linear equations. Therefore these are simultaneous equations. Right? Then here the coefficient of x is 1. The coefficient of x is 1. The coefficients are equal. But the coefficient of y is 2. The coefficient of y is 4. then unequal, the coefficient of x are equal, then plus are there, right? When plus are there, you can subtract, then 1 minus 2, right? 1 minus 2. Then the left hand side, x plus 2y subtract x minus 4y is equal 11 minus 5. Right? Then here x plus 2y minus plus minus 6 minus plus 4y. 11 minus 5, 6, right? Then look at this. When subtract, then here plus 6 to minus 6 cancel, then 2y plus 4y, 6y is equal 6. Now the value of 6, both side divide by, when both side divide by 6, 6 to 6 cancel, y is equal 6 divided by 6, 1. The value of y is 1. Now the y is 1 to substitute, easy to first equation, right? What is the first equation? X plus 2y is equal 11. Now when substitute, x plus 2 into 2y, 1 is equal 11. Now x plus 2, 11 minus 2, no? To cancel plus 2, add minus 2 both sides. Then x is equal 11 minus 2, 9. The value of x is 9. Now y is 1, x is 9. Now let's check. X is 9, 2 into 1, 2, 9 plus 2, 11. X is 9, 2y is 8. 9 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 4, 5. Right, okay. I think you understand very well. Then can you complete at home? The all one coefficients are equal, right? Here, now you have to, in this year, you have to learn the all one coefficient equal. But in grade 10, unequal coefficients are there, unequal coefficient. Simplify. The first one, a plus b is equal 5. A minus b is equal 1. B. X plus y is equal 8. 2x plus y is equal 2. C. M plus 2n is equal 7. M minus n is equal 1. 4c minus b is equal 7. 4c minus 2b is equal 2. Right? Then E. 2a plus 3b is equal 16. 4a plus 3b is equal 26. 3k plus 4l is equal 4. 3k minus 2l is equal 16. X plus 3y is equal 12. minus x plus y is equal 8. H 3m minus 2n is equal 10. Minus 3m plus n is equal minus 14. Right. Now can you complete at home? You should complete at home simultaneous equations. Right. You have to practice very well. Okay. Then today let's stop the class. We will meet another day. Till then, I go on.